Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, just getting word that the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for the Pawcatuck River down towards Westerly. Keep in mind, even though most of the heavy rain is over, often the river warnings go past when the rain is turned off. Sometimes there's a delayed reaction, so the rivers can keep rising. That's the situation we will see down for the Pawcatuck River. At this point, it looks like just minor flooding expected, but just be mindful of that. Right now, let's take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Nothing heavy going on right now. You can see the soaking rains from earlier this morning have moved away, but we are looking at some showers down towards the south coast, especially New Bedford down towards Newport and Narragansett. We can take a closer look at that. And you can see the shower skirting onto Jamestown into Aquidneck Island, and also a few showers heading up towards Horseneck Beach. And that's the situation for the next several hours. Most of these showers will be light, but as we head deeper into the afternoon, we could pick up a few isolated downpours or even a thunderstorm. That's why the flood watch in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. All right, in case you were wondering about record rainfalls, well, the record for today is 1.28 inches. Since midnight, we've had about 1.25 inches. Sometimes it takes a while to get these official numbers for rainfall, but it does look like it will be a close call. If we happen to break the record, of course, we will let you know. We'll have that all-important record-breaking party here at Eyewitness News. Flood watch in effect again until 6 p.m. Again, this is because of isolated downpours possible, not expecting the widespread event that we had from earlier this morning. We go into the Futurecast mode. This is starting things off at 2 o'clock, and this really tells the story very well, where most of the real estate you see here is rain-free, but any of these little specks of green, that could quickly blossom up into a downpour or a thunderstorm, so we just need to keep an eye on things as we head into the afternoon. This evening, most of the showers push off to the east, Cape Cod, the Vineyard. You can see the clouds start to break up, and as we head into your Friday, looking really good. Winds from the west, that'll pump those temperatures up into the upper 60s once again. Already seeing some 60s right now, 60 in Providence, 58 in Gloucester, 59 here in Coventry, 52 in Innergret, and westerly right now you are at 53 degrees. And as we expand the view, notice it's very quiet off to our west, but keep in mind we still have a cold front to get through, so there's enough energy in the atmosphere which will keep the chance of showers in the forecast for the next several hours. In fact, we can detail the temperatures now. You could see 2 o'clock this afternoon, mid-60s, those winds out of the southwest, and because the winds still have a southerly component to them, even into the afternoon, maybe just the upper 50s for the coast. Now, this evening, you can see still comfortable, upper 50s to low 60s. Same story by midnight. Keep in mind, last night, temperatures in the 40s, you may have needed that extra blanket. Not the case for tonight. And then as we head into Friday afternoon, you're going to love the winds coming in from the west. That's a land breeze. That will do this to the temperatures, upper 60s inland, and even probably some low 60s at the coast for Friday afternoon. Now, as we look at the 7-day Futurecast, it's a nice weekend for the most part. Saturday, we're at 68 degrees. There may be some showers or sprinkles, but at this point, it looks like most of those would be to the north of our viewing area, but we'll keep you updated. A few of those could drift into our northern suburbs, but it does look like most of Saturday is rain-free. On Sunday, of course, we have the Aquidneck Island Police Parade. At noontime during the start, it does look dry, but in the afternoon, we'll have to be on the lookout for the chance of showers and even a thunderstorm as a pretty potent cold front comes on through. And then behind that, those temperatures do cool off. You can see on Monday, we're at 60 degrees. And then not necessarily that warm or cool for next week as those temperatures kind of sit in the low 60s with the overnight temperatures into the 40s. But a few showers potentially this afternoon, Patrick. You can track those if you're out and about, maybe trying to hit the golf course. You can take those forecast details with you on your iPhone or your Android phone. But at least some nicer temperatures on the way for the next several days.
Golf course too wet, Pete.
I know,
rain,
but
right?
You know, I'm hardcore. I'll go out there in the wet grass
okay.
and just shank shots all over the place.
All right, doesn't matter if it's wet in the woods where your ball goes.
That's
right?
exactly right.
All right, thanks, Pete. Here's a look at what we're working on for Eyewitness News beginning live.